Hi, my name is Dima. I study medicine and in my last year, and I'm also a PhD in medicine in cancer. I'm with KEMSA Sweden. I joined KEMSA because it's a group of people that are trying to help in the Middle East and help in the area I come from, because I'm Kurdish and I know that these people need help. So another reason that I joined KEMSA is because one of their three main objectives is to educate, and giving knowledge for me is one of the most beautiful ways of helping, because you give a lot of strength with that. And I wish that I will be one of the educators when I go to Kurdistan, educate people. One of my dreams was even before knowing KEMSA, that I'm going to go to Kurdistan and I'm going to teach in some university and tell them what new research is, maybe teach them about what research is. From my PhD in medicine, my research background, I can deliver that to Kurdistan, because I was a medical student there and I know that they don't have research really incorporated into medicine. Now, what I wish for KEMSA to be is the biggest organization ever, and it becomes really strong and have a lot of enthusiastic, beautiful people like I have been seeing so far. And I think this is what I described KEMSA today to a friend of mine. I said that KEMSA is a group of people that has so much passion, and they are so dedicated and structured, like an autistic secretary from Germany at some point, and they are amazing, and I'm very happy to be here. Join KEMSA, or else you're completely not cool. You'll never be.